A pleasant day, ma'am. So this is my final output for the raindrop counting art activity. So I made here. Uh, I follow the instructions. The only deviations that I made are the colors of the clouds and then the pipe cleaner at the end. Unfortunately, I found it more organic to have this tie up or tying up the ends rather than putting pipe cleaners so that it will actually look like raindrops. So as you can see, raindrops, and it shows continuity in my mind, on my head. So this is the output that I made. Thank you very much for your time. So this is the raindrop counting activity.